Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you parking sensors front and back installed on the BMW X3 2013. So we have installed 4 sensors in the back and here. We have also 2 sensors in the front. And now we're going to show you where we put the screen. We have the screen on the dash there. Close the door. No. Okay, so we're going to put the vehicle in reverse. We're going to get closer to an object behind us. It shows us which side there is interference and how far. The closer you get to the object, the faster the sound, and you can see the distance is shorter and shorter until we get a full okay. Now we're gonna go to the front. See the front sensors, same thing, telling us the distance and tell us the area, if it's on the left or on the right. Okay, parking sensors for vehicles are available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.